Hey guys, for those of you that don't know me, my name is Chris and I lead self-help and content for Intuit Australia. Wanted to make you a quick video to demonstrate some of the new features that were released into QuickBooks Online over the last 48 hours. The first one is the ability to turn off auto recall on transactions. Now, we know this works well a majority of the time, but sometimes due to the description of the bank feeds, it actually ends up categorizing things all the same when they shouldn't. If this does arise and you do want to turn off this, you can simply just click the gear icon and untick the box, remember category selection. This will stop that from happening, and you can just utilize your bank rules if you want to be able to help match transactions moving forward. You can always turn this back on by simply clicking the gear icon again and then ticking the box remember category selection again. So awesome little nifty feature. I know you guys will love it. Feel free to check it out if you so choose. Now the other one was the ability to actually resolve discrepancies. Now in the past, when you went to go find a match and you wanted to resolve a discrepancy, you only had the ability to add one transaction line. Now for whatever reason, you may have the need to add additional transaction lines because there's different reasons as to why there's a difference. You'll see now there's the ability to hit add new transaction, and you can simply add another one. You actually have the ability to add all the way up to 5. So cool little feature. I know you guys have been asking for that as well. And that's actually all I had for you today. It was a couple of little features that I think you'll love. Feel free to check them out. If you have any other feedback or any other features you'd love to see into QuickBooks Online, feel free to leave a comment down below, and I'll see you again in our next video. Have a great day, guys.